Michigan's Adventure is a Cedar Fair theme park located in Muskegon Country, Michigan, and with it being home to over 60 attractions, there is no wonder it is so popular. However, today we're going to count down the top 5 rides at Michigan's Adventure. Starting off at number 5, we have Mad Mouse. And no matter whether you want to scurry around a track like a real mouse, or you are just looking for another fun family attraction, then this, believe it or not, Wild Mouse ride is just for you. The only thing is, however, it is not all easy coasting, as once you have boarded the really awesome mouse car, not only will you head around many classic Wild Mouse twists and turns at a height of 70 feet, but you will also head around many drops, bank turns and airtime hills, causing even the biggest of thrill seekers in the group to put their hands in the air. And so I would feel wrong not putting this rather mice ride on the list. Ding ding. You can't have a world-class theme park without an aerodynamic steel coaster, and Michigan's Adventure is no exception. As for our number 4 position, we have Corkscrew, and despite it being the oldest ride at the park, with its debut back in 1979, it definitely packs a punch, with you and up to 23 other thrill seekers getting to race around a classic layout consisting of a 70-foot drop, double corkscrew, as well as many twists and turns at a speed of 45 miles per hour. So yeah, this ride may be old and a little bit short at times, but in my eyes a trip to Michigan's Adventure would be nowhere near complete without a ride on this classic. Here we are at the top 3 rides at the park, and for our number 3 spot we have Thunderhawk, the ride which will make you scream, smile and laugh at the same time, and here is how. Now of course it would not be an amazing coaster without many twists, turns and inversions, and Thunderhawk is no different. Yet what brings this ride to the next level is the fact that even though it is a dreaded SLC, with all of its drops and 5 inversions that you will complete along its 2,000 feet of track, no matter whether it is your first, second or 100th time riding, you are sure to fall in love with it. Therefore, what are you waiting for? Take a flight with the Thunderhawk on your next visit to the park. It is time for a good old wooden coaster. As for our number 2 position, we have Wolverine Wildcat, and with it being situated along the lake, before we even get onto the ride experience itself, just looking at this 85-foot tall wooden structure is amazing. And on ride does not disappoint either, as especially if you manage to get that beloved back row, you'll be able to head through many pitch black tunnels, down humongous drops, and over more airtime hills than I can count on my hands. And so when also taking into account that this is only one of 3 types of these coasters, this attraction should 100% be on your bucket list. We have made it to the number 1 spot, and in my opinion for the best ride at the park, we have got no other than Shivering Timbers. And where do I begin when talking about this ride? As if I was going to talk about every great part, we would literally be here all day. Yet to start from the beginning, as soon as your lap bars have been lowered, you will instantly know that you are in for a treat. And you will not be wrong, as words literally cannot describe how awesome the drops, airtime hills and bank turns are. And therefore I think it is very easy to see why this is not only one of the best rides at the park, but in the entire world. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.